Use the diagram to answer the following questions. How many points appear in the figure? Well, we have y, x, w, v, and z. We have 5. We have line A and line B. There's 2 lines. How many planes appear in the figure? Well, this parallelogram, there's only one. Name a line containing point V. Well, there's a couple ways. We can call this line A. And I know it says name a line, so I'm going to put 2 ways, but I'm also going to use VX just to give us practice with using the symbol for a line. Remember, it's got an arrow on top. Name the intersections of lines A and B. Well, the intersections of lines A and B is a point. So point W. Give another name for line B. So it's not the only choice, but we can say YZ with an arrow on top. Here's YZ for line B. Name 2 non-collinear points. So let's say Y and X. And give another name for plane D. Just to point out here that D up here in the corner, kind of as an italics looking letter, is a way of naming that plane. But we can also name a plane with 3 non-collinear points. So let's say plane Y, W, V. If we look at problem 2, same kind of questions here. Use the diagram to answer the following questions. How many points appear in this figure? Oh dear, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 of them. Just to go back over that again, P, S, T, M, N, O, R, and Q. Those are the 9 points. How many lines appear in this figure? Well, we have line D, we have line C, and we have line E. There's 3 lines. How many planes in the figure? Well, we have plane K, and we have plane L. So there are 2 planes. 3 collinear points. Point M, N, and O are all on the same line, which is the definition of collinear. 2 non-coplanar points. So the points cannot be in the same plane. So why don't we pick T in plane K and then U in plane L? Those aren't your only choices, by the way. Those are just the 2 that I picked. Give another name for line E. Well, we can call this line MN. Remember, with an arrow on top, it's not showing up very well, but it did a little bit better here. Name the intersection of PQ, so line PQ, and line MO, and the 2 lines intersect at a point, so I'm going to say at point N, and that's right here, PQ and MO intersect at this point right here. That is a point that's on each of those lines. Name the intersection of plane K and line C. Well, plane K and line C, which is here, is going to intersect at a point, and in this case, point S is where it intersects. Again, this is the part of the line that's in this plane. Give another name for plane L. Again, what we pick is we pick 3 non-collinear points. So we can say something like plane M, N, U. And then give another name for line PQ. Well, here's line PQ. We can call this line D.